Hey, what's up, y'all? Some people have asked me to start getting back into my positivity videos that I was doing a couple years back, and I've been thinking about it a lot. And today I was reading through some of my old journals, and I thought, you know what? No time like right now to start doing something that I've been saying to myself that I want to do. So without further ado, I'm just gonna read part of a journal entry from July of last year. I think I was just going through something and I wrote some words to myself that I thought maybe I needed to hear, and maybe you do too. So here it is. Let joy be your driving force. There's no fear in joy. Just like the Bible says there's no fear in love. Live in love. Be constantly riding that wave. Life is good. Life is joy. Remember to default to this. Remember, there are only two emotions. Stay in the positive. Just like meditation, when you get off track, just gently come back. No need to force anything, no need to judge. Just observe the fact that you've gotten off track and simply, kindly, gently come on back. Get back on the wave, get back to the quiet place, get back to the vibration of harmony. With every feeling you are creating, and with every thought you generate a feeling. Therefore, all creation begins with your thoughts. Why not choose beautiful ones? Why not see yourself as strong and rich and good? Why doubt yourself or be afraid of anything? Of course, I know that it's because of your upbringing, your conditioning, your habits, but today is a new day. What better time than right now to throw away all your fears and dance naked in the rain? What better moment than this one to let go of fear and just share your beautiful gifts with the world? The time is ripe, buddy. The time is now. The world is waiting for your gifts, whether you know it or not. I just wanted to share that with y'all because the world is waiting for your gifts. So don't hesitate. Just do what you do what you love, be happy, and share that beautiful goodness with the world. Peace, y'all.